In this video guide, we will instruct you about getting rid of Occuratedolp.club pop-ups that are presented as alerts that try to make you click on the Allow button. However, of course, doing so is a very serious mistake. Clicking on the Allow button immediately leads to browser hijacking, and when people do that, the browser starts randomly attacking the screen and redirecting to all kinds of suspicious websites. So be extremely careful whenever such pop-ups appear. They may tell you that you need to click on the Allow to supposedly verify your age or to prove that you are not a robot, or for some other reasons. But in all these cases, it is the mistake when people click on the Allow. I've just done that on purpose in order to demonstrate how to deactivate these pop-ups after they got activated. So go to the browser menu, you click on Settings, now you choose Site Settings and Notifications. Now you need to check the Allow area carefully and find this dangerous, questionable website and click here and select Remove. Finally, I recommend that you additionally double-check the safety of your Mac with the Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on this website, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the application, start the software through your Launchpad, and the program looks like this. It will update its antivirus database first of all, and then you'll need to click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed analysis of your system, giving you a chance to apply several functions and several improvements, even in the trial mode. For instance, the disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. These are free features to use, so you may review the results and fix these issues manually even in the trial mode. As for the antivirus part, it's the component of the premium license only. However, the program has performed free scanning of your Mac, so you may click on Review Results and find the location of each threat one at a time and get rid of it manually. Or you may enjoy the premium license of the program, which will help you to remove all threats automatically from your Mac.